Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change Discord background. So in this video, we'll show you two easy ways to change or install Discord background theme. So the first way is use either a dark and light theme is by using the built-in options of the Discord app itself. If you don't know how to select the dark or light mode, here is how. First of all, just go to your settings, open the Discord app on your PC, click on user settings icon, gear icon at the bottom, select appearance. In the theme section, select the Discord background or theme that you want dark or light, sense with computer. Press escape button to return to the Discord home screen. If you want a more sophisticated look, features and Discord background theme, you can install Better Discord. So you just have to make sure that Discord is already installed on your PC. Open a web browser and go to the Better Discord website. Click the download button to download to the latest Better Discord installer. Once the download is complete, open the Better Discord windows.x file to begin this installation. Follow the on-screen instruction to install Better Discord. The Discord app should restart after the installation. To begin changing your Discord background, you can select a new theme by going to the theme page of Better Discord website. Once you are in the themes page, select the custom theme you want and download it to the Discord theme folder. You can simply open theme folder and copy the theme to it. Afterwards, go back to Discord user settings, then Better Discord themes and make sure that the Discord theme that you want to use is enabled. And that's done. If you decide to stop using Better Discord for whatever reason, you can do so using the uninstaller that you download to add Better Discord in the past. If you don't have the installer file already, you can go back to the Better Discord website again and re-download it. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.